Hi there, Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. What we have here, after my hiking videos, after my outdoors videos, we have here another blade. We have here a new blade. We have here a nicely done blade. The thing you will notice first is actually the scabbard, because the scabbard for this beauty is colored black. Did we paint it black? Did we use black paint or varnish? Oh no, not at all, because this particular work of art has a scabbard made of Maravical wood. Maravical wood. You heard it right? Maravical. A very rare black colored wood, which is considered as a premium material for BIKOL blade scabbards. Maravical. In BIKOL blade culture, the Maravical is the best wood for making a scabbard. It is hard. It is a thing of beauty when done and with carving there. Here the hilt is once again made of water buffalo horn. Pinaniki, bordering on the demonyo. I mean, it's pinaniki really, but almost looking like a demonyo hilt. Now let's look at the blade inside. Blade is Ginunting. It's a BIKOL Ginunting. Slim, light. Now this one is made to be light. Spine thickness, quite thin. I haven't measured it yet. I'll measure it for you, but I think it is less than 0.6 centimeters. Length 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, around 17 to 18 inches blade length, and hilt around 6 inches. Let's turn things around. There's an opening here, but it actually adds more to the beauty of the blade, because it's really very difficult to find Maravical. Usually you can find it when really old homes are being demolished. BIKOL Ginunting with Maravical scabbard. and pinanic hilt made of carabao horn. And there is also a what? There's a gardation made of carabao horn, which makes it really tribal and native. Right, join me again next time when we feature another blade, or we go outdoors, or we discuss blade culture. Thank you so much. Be safe, and remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you so much.